words of shukr and hamd. Laka alhamdu wa laka shukr. Or alhamdulillahi ala kulli hal. Alhamdulillah. Like I say, something happens, you say alhamdulillah, it couldn't be worse. Right? Same applies to people. A hadith says, whoever does not show gratitude to the people is unable to show true gratitude to Allah. He's right in front of you. You can see it with your eyes. If you are not prepared to say thank you so much, Jazakumullah khair, I appreciate it, Allah bless you, write a little thank you card, give them flower, don't give them flowers, we'll be in trouble. When Allah does things for you, sometimes you can't see it. How many of us have thanked Allah for the rain? But we thank Allah for everything we should be. These are things that we take for granted. How many of us have thanked Allah for the deen that we follow? The first way is to thank with the mouth. The second one, to thank Allah through your actions and through your obedience and through staying away from tusu. Allah bless you. Why you out to commit zina? Say, oh Allah forgive me, make me strong. I'm weak, I'm human, I'm attracted to the opposite sex. It's tough, but Allah, you've done so much for me. Help me to lower my gaze and to focus and take me focus. I'm a human, I have feelings, definitely, but we must control those. If you fell, ask Allah's forgiveness. Seeking forgiveness is gratitude to Allah. You made mistakes. You are a human being, you made mistakes, you will make mistakes. Coming back to Allah is gratitude to Allah.